I'm here to talk about ZLife.com, Zimbabwe's newest and hottest ad posting website. ZLife offers you an online platform where you can post unlimited ads available for viewing to millions of Zimbabweans, allowing for sharing on all major social networks and an easy help for managing them. It allows you freedom on how you can be reached by other ZLife.com users, and it also has got additional features such as a simple login using your Facebook account or buy and sell merchandise using EcoCash. Here's why you should use ZLife.com. 1. It's easy to use ad-free. Secure login system, which you can use your ZLife.com account or using Facebook. Place unlimited ads online, whether you're selling something or searching for something. Flexibility on how you can get content. Flexibility on how you get paid. And premium options, which will allow you to reach more people. Now here's the fact, the ZLife community is growing every day, and as it grows, so shall we include many features for your liking. So join this social network, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, or any of the social networks. Yes, it's hot. Do you want?